Everyone's looking for the next big financial breakthrough. The secret investment. The perfect side hustle. The complex system that the wealthy are supposedly hiding, but here's the twist: the truth isn't complex. It's so simple that most people scroll right past it. A single financial rule that quietly builds wealth over time, while others stay stuck in the same paycheck-to-paycheck loop. And once you hear it, you'll wonder why no one emphasized it sooner. Let's dive into what may be the most overlooked financial principle of all time. The illusion of hard finance. We've been taught that personal finance is all about complexity. Budgets, spreadsheets, investments, taxes, apps, accounts, and endless categories. It feels overwhelming. And because it feels overwhelming, most people give up. But what if I told you that a single mindset shift, one rule, can change the entire trajectory of your wealth? It doesn't require software, it doesn't require spreadsheets. And it doesn't require sacrificing everything you love. The 70-20-10 principle. So simple, most miss it. Here it is live on 70%. Save 20%, give 10%, that's it. And money masters for decades. Here's how it works. 70% of your income goes to living. This includes rent, food, subscriptions, and lifestyle. 20% goes to your future. Think savings, investments, emergency funds, retirement accounts. 10% goes to giving, whether it's charity, helping family, or supporting a cause. It reinforces abundance, not scarcity. Why does this matter? Because it forces one critical shift. You build your lifestyle around what's left, not around your entire income. Why it works, even when everything else fails. Here's what happens when you adopt the 70-20-10 rule. You stop lifestyle inflation. When you earn more, you don't automatically spend more. Your growth is purposeful. You build a financial cushion fast. 20% consistently saved grows faster than you think, especially with compound interest. You develop wealth habits, not just wealth goals. Goals are temporary, habits are permanent. Even if your income is modest, this rule helps you outpace others who earn more but save less. Because wealth isn't about what you make, it's about what you keep. Why most people never follow it? If it's so easy, why don't more people do it? Because it's almost too simple. It lacks the flashy appeal of crypto, side hustles, and day trading. It doesn't promise overnight riches, it doesn't come with hype. And no one makes a viral ad selling this rule but the people who actually apply it. They end up financially free, debt-free. And in control. It's quiet wealth, silent success. And it all starts with choosing to live on less than you earn by design. How to apply it, even if you're struggling. You might be thinking, but I can't save 20%, I barely make enough now. Fair, start smaller. Try the 5th of October 85 or even the 5th of May 90. What matters isn't where you start, it's that you start at all. Over time, you train your brain and budget to shift. Suddenly, saving isn't a burden, it's a habit. And with every dollar you don't spend, you gain freedom. The power of predictable wealth. The 70-20-10 rule doesn't just build savings, it builds options. You'll have money when the economy dips. You'll have cash when an opportunity comes. You'll have power when others panic. It's the opposite of living by chance, it's living by choice. Your financial simplicity starts now. If you've been waiting for a magic solution, this is it. Not because it's flashy, but because it works. The wealthy keep it simple. They make fewer, better decisions, they automate discipline. And they start with this: spend less than you earn. Save what you don't spend. Repeat until you're financially free. No gimmicks. No guru courses. Just timeless truth wrapped in 3 numbers. If this was a wake-up call, drop a like. Subscribe for more secrets the system hopes you'll ignore. And comment below. Simple wins, because in the end, the easiest financial rule is also the most powerful.